Let's see. Oh, right there. Nice. There we go.
Arms towards the ceiling. Give yourself a hug. The middle back, that's where it hurts. Oh yeah, that's tight. Deep breath. All the way out, lay back. Nice. More. Nice. Feel that?
Oh my goodness, yes.
Hips, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, watch the cleats on the table, okay?
Okay.
Nice. Just relax. Nice. On your side.
Yo, dude.
Bend this knee. Roll towards me. Scoot your hips a little bit. Come on over here. Lisa, come on over here. Tuck your foot. Tuck your foot back there. Down the knee. Nice. Woohoo! Other side. Watch it, please. Bend this knee. Scoot your hips a little bit. That's already popping. Nice. Woo. All right, man.
Thank you.
Rocking and rolling.
Wow.